Artificial intelligence is no longer just a technological upgrade. It is becoming a silent force that is reshaping society from the inside. Without public debate or collective awareness, a new class system is forming around those who control intelligent machines and those who do not. This divide is not based on effort, morality, or intelligence, but on access to tools that amplify power beyond human limits. And the most unsettling truth is that you are already part of this division, whether you chose it or not. Artificial intelligence was created to help humanity move forward together, yet it is now accelerating separation within the same society. Those who understand, control, or command AI advance rapidly, while others fall behind so slowly that they rarely notice the shift. Advanced AI tools promise efficiency and growth, but access to these systems is far from equal or universal. When only a limited group can afford or understand them, power naturally concentrates instead of spreading evenly. AI does not reward effort alone. It rewards understanding and strategic use of intelligent systems. As long as this knowledge remains exclusive, opportunity becomes locked behind invisible educational barriers. Automation was marketed as liberation from repetitive labor, but it now determines economic survival. If a machine can replace your role entirely, where does that leave your value in the future workforce? A new elite class is forming, made up of those who design, train, and deploy artificial intelligence systems. Their influence grows faster than laws, ethics, or institutions can adapt to control it. AI systems quietly filter resumes, applications, and opportunities long before humans intervene. Many people never realize that an algorithm decided their fate before they were even considered. AI-powered learning tools can dramatically improve speed, accuracy, and depth of education. But when only some students benefit from these tools, inequality becomes structural rather than temporary. AI allows individuals to produce results that once required entire teams or departments. How can those without AI realistically compete when productivity itself becomes technologically amplified? Artificial intelligence runs on data, and data ownership defines who controls outcomes. As individuals give away personal information freely, corporations and elites gain long-term strategic advantage. AI systems now decide access to jobs, loans, healthcare, housing, and even online visibility. When machines control opportunity, who protects those quietly filtered out of the system? AI does not feel emotion, yet it can reinforce bias with mathematical precision. Is inequality less dangerous when it is automated and hidden behind technical complexity? AI multiplies the output of people who already possess resources and influence. This creates a feedback loop where the powerful accelerate forward while others struggle to catch up. Wealthier nations adopt AI faster, benefiting from early access and infrastructure. As technology accelerates growth for some countries, global inequality deepens even further. Those without AI tools must invest more effort for increasingly smaller returns. Over time, hard work alone becomes insufficient without technological reinforcement. Workers now compete not only with other humans, but with machines that never rest or demand wages. How can fair compensation survive when human labor becomes optional rather than essential? AI provides faster insights, predictions, and strategic clarity to those who use it correctly. When one side consistently makes better decisions, outcomes become predictably unequal. Children raised in AI-enabled environments gain advantages before they even begin competing. Is inequality still fair when it is inherited through technology rather than personal effort? The AI class divide is not a future possibility. It is already shaping lives today. The real choice is whether you adapt and cross the divide, or remain on the side being shaped by it. Artificial intelligence is not just changing industries or systems. It is redefining who gains power, stability, and long-term control in society. If you do not consciously choose your place in this transformation, the system itself will quietly choose it for you.